Hi guys, welcome to Dusty Crow Designs. I'm Steph and I'm here to do another unboxing video. Right, so today I have splurged out a bit and bought a set of Winsor Newton watercolours in a pan set. So this, as you can see, was actually on sale, which is why I didn't mind spending a bit on it. So it was usually about £55, that's British pounds, and it was down to just under £30, so I was like, fine, I'll go for it. Anyway, so this is the Cotman Watercolours 24 whole pan set. Now, from what I understand about these types of paints, pan is like a little tray with like a dried block of paint, I believe. But we'll find out in a second. So, let's get this bad boy open. So this is actually classed as a studio set. I don't know if you can see that on there when it focuses. Way. It's trying, but it's giving up. Anyways, so inside we have the pan, or the set, I suppose. Bit of information. Is there anything? It's just telling you what else you can buy. Anyway, so let's have a look. So it's embossed nicely with the Winsor Newton. It's actually a sorry, my camera's still focusing. It's a curved set. Don't know if you can see that stupid camera. There we go. So yes, it's actually like an oval shape. I don't know. Right, so ta-da! Right, so you actually have like two mixing pans on either side of this, so it compacts up quite nicely. So you've got obviously like a very large area for that, say, washes, and then 2, 4, 6, 8. There we go. 8 pans on the other side. There we go. For detailed colouring, and then here are the little pans. So they've all been named as well. So like that one is lemon yellow when it focuses. Ugh, apologies about the new camera, guys. I've basically hooked up a webcam to do unboxing videos. There we go. No, not quite. Nah. Anyways, so yes, so these are all individually wrapped and sealed in nice tidy little blocks, I suppose. And as you can see, they all fit into these like little ledges or grooves or whatever you want to call them, trays, I suppose. There we go. So what I will do is quickly unwrap these. I'll pause the video here, unwrap them all, and then we will try them out and see what the colours look like. Because I was a bit sceptical as to what the colours would be like. The picture on the box didn't give them the best example. I mean, it's not. Don't know if it'll focus. Come on, it's this bit here I wanted to see. Anyways, it's not going to focus on it. I know it's not the best picture or the best. There we go. No, lost it again. But it doesn't really show the colours that well. But just having a quick sneaky look under, they look alright. So yeah, so I'll be back in a second, guys. Right, I'm back again. Obviously you will have noticed a difference there. But yes, so they are now all out of their wrappings. It took me about 10 minutes to get them all out. But they do look quite snazzy. I will end up moving these around, I think, before I start trying them out, only because I like all my browns and yellows and stuff in the same sort of area. My cold colour, basically my warm colours to one side, my cold colours to another. So like I say, all my yellows, orange, browns and stuff, they're all going to go to one side, the blues and greens to another. But yeah, what I will do though is I will post a list on the YouTube comments, basically, or the description, basically saying what each colour is in order from like left to right, middle section left to right, bottom section left to right, just so you guys can see what colours actually come included in the pan. You do actually get like a code and pick it up. It's too tiny. Can it focus? There you go. It keeps focusing out, but yeah, so you do get like a code written on the side of each pan. Not the easiest to work out what it is, but I suppose if you read all the names first, it's easy enough. Right, so what I will do is just pause there again and rearrange to how I want, and then I will try them out for you. There we go, so a quick jig around on the colours and everything. I may change this again, to be honest, because it's hard to know what you want them in, what order you want them in until you try them out. But for now, I'm going to leave it like that. Right, so now I need to try and make room for everything. So to try these out, I'm going to be using some kind of paper that I've forgotten. Just a second. Langton mould made cold pressed paper. So this is from Dale and Rowner, or Dale Rowner. This is A4 size. I haven't really used it that much because as much as I like A4 paper and stuff, and the fact that you can easily get frames for it, I quite enjoying some of the bigger paintings I've been doing recently. But yeah, anyways, so this is actually quite a smooth effect. Not the smoothest you can get, but it is a smooth texture. Right, so how should I do it? I'll get off doing it as like that as much as possible. So I'm going to have to very carefully use this palette. Right, so I've tried to arrange it as well in where colours will go that I'll use often. So like white, I tend to use my blues a lot, and black I've put right down there. Black, grey, Payne's grey, something like that. Simply because I don't use black much unless I'm going for really dark painting, at which point I have it more close to my browns. Anyways, right, let's try it out. So just so you know, the blocks they aren't like glued into the pans or anything, so they will move around a bit. Okay. Obviously it's white, so it's not really going to show up on the paper much. But might as well dab it on. Hi guys, just interrupting this speeded up process video part section thing, just to let you know that I have now ordered in the first of the Swearing Succulent pin designs, so they will be with me roughly around September. I'm not too sure yet, 'cause I'm not too sure how long it will actually take, but they are available to pre-order through my website. They are currently priced at £5, that's £5 sorry, and that does include free UK postage, within the UK, sorry. But if you are overseas, just get in touch with me so I can calculate how much the postage will be for you, or shipping, simply because my website doesn't allow me to individually price postage at the moment. It is something I've fed back to the company I've used, and hopefully they will sort it out soon, just because it's a bit inconvenient. Anyways, so yeah, so all pre-orders are at a discounted price, obviously a bit cheaper because they're including part of the cost of the postage as well. And they will also include a full-sized art backing card. So when I say full-sized, they're only going to be small, a bit smaller than A6, I'd say. I can't remember how big the bags are yet, but yeah, so head over to dustycrowdesigns.com to pre-order your first, or the first, Swearing Succulent pin design. If the pre-orders are filled by the time I receive the first batch, it does mean I will be able to put in an order for the second design. So basically, the more pre-orders I get, the more chance there is of more designs coming out. But yeah, anyways, thanks guys. Right, there we go. So that's them all tried and tested. Obviously you can't really see the white, which is just up here. Already I can see I want to swap these two colours around in my pan. just because of flow better, and probably move that one into about there or something. But yeah, I have to admit they are very vibrant, especially compared to when I've tried out like my others, my WH Smith ones. I'm not saying they're bad. I mean, obviously go cheap when you're first starting out, but when you've racked up a bit of money and stuff, or you've saved up a bit, yeah, I'd say definitely look into getting a more expensive set. But I am very chuffed with them. They are very nice and vibrant. Right, so yeah, so like I said, please comment below if you've got any questions, anything you wanted to know. I will post, I'll make sure I put in the colours that came with the set. I've kept all the little labels in order as well. But yeah, alright guys, well thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!